sets of DIY Nail Shack, a unboxing and review of their products. So DIY Nail Shack is a monthly nail strip subscription. So they deliver you nail strips, and it's kind of a really unique way to try out different types of nail strips. They're all curated to you. They pick ones that they think would be best for you, and you get a monthly custom nail pack with easy to apply nail strips and fun designs. So it's $9.95 a month, which is really affordable, quick, but to have them done well, then nail strips are the way to go. Nail Shack welcome pack, and it should ship within 10 business days, which is pretty quick. Anyone who likes doing their nails, but you don't like going to a salon and spending a lot of money to do that, or you don't like painting your nails because they chip too fast, recently discovered and I've been trying these out for a few weeks now and I really like them. And for $9.95 a month, that's super affordable to get 4 different sets of different nails. They kind of curate it to the season and to things you like. So I'm excited. We're gonna unbox them and try this out. So it comes in this really nice envelope. I love the colors. And then when you open it up, you get a few things. So when you open it up, you get an instruction sheet with how to do these nails, how to apply them, how to remove them, instructions of where to find them. They also have a YouTube channel, Facebook, and an Instagram. So they have information all about on there on how to apply them. They have tips and tricks. They're available on Cratejoy as well as nailshack.com. Strips for any young kids who want to get their nails done. Ages 5 to 11, they create them and they're customly created. And I'm gonna do a separate video of how I actually apply these. So this video will not be a tutorial of how I apply these, but I'm gonna be showing you them. One of 2 things. So you get your file, a soft side and a gritty side. You get a cuticle pusher, which is great to have anyways, so just anything like this. You get these 2 things and they come in your welcome set. They don't come in the monthly packages. Once you start subscribing to this, you will not get a new file and cuticle pusher, but you will get your nail strips, and honestly these last for a long time, so I don't think you would need to get these every month. They're really cute and I love the colors of these. And basically how you kind of apply it is you tear off this plastic piece, you take off the nail strip from the plastic here, you put it on your nail. You have to make sure it's flattened out properly, but they're very easy and it takes less than, like, I would say half an hour to put these on. Like, it's really awesome. So this was the first set I tried out. It's this really cute purpley pinky set, and normally I wouldn't go for glitters, but I do like these a lot and I like this set, and you can switch it out pretty easily, which I like a lot. Flowers, which is going to be so fun to do. I cannot wait because spring is in the air. I've been loving the flowers. I've been loving just all the different patterns, so this is going to be awesome to do. Really colorful set, which is going to be super fun again to play with, and I like all the colors, and you can mix and match as well. And then we have this set here, and it has some more muted tone colors. I like this one as well. So honestly, I like them a lot. They're not too out there. They're things I would wear. I like that you can mix and match. You could even mix some of the nail strips within the sets that you get and put different ones together. It takes less than 20 minutes to do this. It's really easy, affordable, and if you order before April 21st, you will get yours for Mother's Day. So it's a great Mother's Day gift to pamper someone, or if you just like doing your nails and changing it up and you don't want to spend high quality salon prices, this is a great way to go. Second set I've done of nail strips. But you have enough for at least 2 sets or more. They're supposed to last for about a week, sometimes 2, it depends what you're doing. I was working, so I had to wear gloves, so a few of mine kind of came off, but most of them have stayed on, and they don't feel very heavy or anything like that. It's not like I'm wearing acrylic nails or nothing like that, which I like because I sometimes don't like the feeling of acrylic nails, so I can still do my day-to-day activities, but have some nice nails, and I really like these patterns. So I will have a full tutorial of me applying these, but honestly, I've tried them so far and I love them a lot. I think it's just a fun way to spice up your nails, have a fun time, and it's really affordable, $9.95 a month to get 4 different nail strips. Thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.